Markets are where Ghana's heart beats loudest. Here, every stall has a story, every spice a memory.
Look at these vibrant Ghanaian colors from our fruits and vegetables. Oranges, peppers, mangoes, and apples.
Here, food is more than fuel.
Leiding.
Patterns, colors, fabrics.
Cooking in Ghana is never lonely. It's community in motion. Color, craft, and care. The same energy found in Ghanaian food.
From land to sea, Ghana feeds its soul with freshness. Ghana's flavor stays long after the meal ends. Next stop, Kenya. A new rhythm, a new table to share.